As Utah's cases continue to spike, leaders have asked people to be able to be sure to get out there and take care of yourself in regards to that. But that didn't happen last night, apparently. News specialist Tanya Dean is in Utah County, where a party attended by thousands of people who had to be shut down there. Tanya?
We're out here on the west side of Utah Lake at an area called the Knolls. There's nothing out here except for dirt, sagebrush, and a couple of campers. But last night, that wasn't the case. Officials say up to 10,000 people packed this spot for a Halloween party in protest of COVID regulations.
Often we see some gathering like this, we'll characterize it as a rave.
It had the lights, it had the music, and it definitely had the crowd.
I've heard estimates anywhere from 3,000 to 10,000 people, and it's probably somewhere in between there.
This is video of a Halloween party taken directly from the public Instagram page of a group called Utah Tonight. For a month, the group had advertised it as a protest on Halloween, criticizing health guidelines and calling out government leaders and the media. Utah Tonight said last week they were canceling the event. Turns out they didn't. Utah County Sheriff's deputies were called out to the party after someone was hurt.
There was a young woman who was being not really crowd surfed, but more crowd tossed.
After she was taken to the hospital, authorities learned that the organizers didn't have a permit. What else was lacking? Bathrooms, security, and parking. Deputies shut the party down around 10 p.m. Getting people out was not an easy task.
There were a couple of minor crashes. One car ended up on top of another one somehow, but there were no serious injuries in those.
On Friday, an emergency alert went out statewide saying social gatherings should be limited to 10 people or fewer. Today, the Utah County Health Department issued a statement saying the organizers of the Halloween protest are encouraging the direct opposite of public health and medical guidance. They claim to want to get life back to normal. Their actions and the actions they are encouraging will cause a further increase in COVID-19 cases and push the time of back to normal that much further away. We reached out to Utah Tonight for their comments but did not hear back. The sheriff's office says they didn't make any arrests or issue any citations, but those could still be coming.